everyone, and welcome to today's celebration assembly. Really is looking like Christmas, and it's feeling like it as well. It's so cold. You need to remember, children, it's gonna get even colder next week. So make sure you dress warm. Dress in layers. So thin layers, not thick, but thin layers. One thin layer on top of the other is actually better for you and keeps you warmer. So if you have a t-shirt or a vest, and then you have your polo shirt, and then you have a jumper or a cardigan on top of that, that's going to keep you a lot warmer than something just really thick. And make sure you bring your coat and hat and gloves. That will help you to keep warm when you go outside, because it's still good for us to get fresh air. We're still supposed to have some nice weather with regards to the sunshine, but it might get really, really cold, so we want to dress warm. Okay, got that out the way. Today, I'm going around and pulling and drawing for the Christmas prizes for the Christmas raffle. Oh, that's exciting. And we're also preparing for next week and our Christmas parties. Yes, our Christmas parties. Each year group, each phase has their parties on a different day, and your teachers has sorted that out and told your parents about that, and I'm sure has told you as well. Right, now this is the last celebration assembly that we have like this for this term. Next Friday we won't have one like this because we're going to be doing Christmas singing, and we're going to be handing out the attendance prizes from the draw. Remember the 2 weeks around Christmas? Yes. So that's going to be on the last Friday. So today is the last one for this term and before Christmas. So here we go. For Going for Gold Awards, we have in Leeds class, Sky, for great effort with the 12 Days of Christmas Dough Disco Challenge. And Arthur, for being brave and trying new things. In York 1, we have Creedy for working hard to remember the actions for our Christmas songs, and Ella for showing a keen interest in writing letter shapes during free choice activities. In York 2, we have Harper G for Super Fred talking, and Russell for trying hard in Read Write Ink and doing Super Fred talking. In Hall class, we have all the Hall class for great effort in the Key Stage 1 Nativity. And in Nottingham, we have Declan for super sounding out and reading of words with 4 sounds in them. We also have all of Nottingham class for their great effort in the Key Stage 1 Nativity. In Liverpool class, we have Violet, Michael, and Archie for stepping up and taking on additional parts at the last minute for the Christmas production. We also have all of Liverpool class, guess what? For their great effort in the Key Stage 1 Nativity. In Cardiff class, we have Susanna G for her enthusiastic work in science lessons. And we also have Michelle for trying hard in all the lessons and having a positive attitude. In Edinburgh class, we have Jack for preparing himself for his school council nomination by working hard at home to prepare his speech. And Jake H for making great links in science work to show understanding of insulators and conductors. In Cambridge class, we have Sienna for creating a wonderful piece of artwork this week, and Amelia for painting her contour art carefully. Oh, can't turn the page. In London class, we have Nicola for thinking carefully about vocabulary choices, and Stuart for working hard to improve his writing. In Oxford class, we have Caden for working really hard in maths, and Mason for working more independently. Well done to all of these children. Give them a big hand. Excellent. Now, in the Year of Knowing Me Awards, we have in Leeds class, Oliver for such enthusiasm to everything he does. In York 1, we have Riaz for super effort and behavior for the nativity practices, and Willow M for confidence to have a go at writing words all by herself. In Yard 2, we have Arlo for using his listening skills and being able to explain the properties of a square, and Reggie for trying hard to join in with an adult-led activity. In Hall class, we have Hall class and Nottingham Year 1s for being such good ambassadors for Newlands at their trip to see Santa. In Nottingham class, we have Olivia for showing kindness to her friends by helping them with tie laces, and Evelyn for always giving 100%. In Liverpool class, we have Isabella for putting in 100% effort this week, and Nevaeh for always trying her best and being ready to learn. In Cardiff class, we have Roscoe for making links in maths and spotting patterns, and Emily for super science learning. In Edinburgh, we have Oliver for his superb effort in swimming, challenging himself to keep going, and Morny for the effort she made in swimming this week. It was noticed by the adults. In Cambridge class, we have Holly for having a positive attitude towards her learning, and Gracie for being determined and not giving up when things were tricky in maths. In London class, we have Alan for persevering in maths, and Kian Dwayne for showing consideration towards his classmates. In Oxford class, we have Peyton for always trying her best in whatever she does, and Chloe for being a fantastic class member. Well done to all of you. Excellent. Okay, everyone. One more week of school. Still lots happening. We have the early years play, the nativity that's happening. We have Christmas parties. We have Christmas singing. Wow, so much going on. Have a good weekend, and I can't wait to see you next week.